Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial from Being Skill. In this short tutorial, you will learn how to quickly add filler text to your HTML page. So if we have an HTML page like this, and if we have a paragraph like this, now we need some filler text, right? So we don't want to write it ourselves. Don't worry, we have this little buddy to help us, lorem ipsum. So how did I do that? You just press left angular bracket key and then L, and then this appears. Just click on enter and lorem ipsum will come. So lorem ipsum dolor sit ame is just some Latin text that is used by web developers to quickly add filler text to your web page. There are websites that from where you can copy this text more of it, but this is pretty much okay in length. If you save it and you see the web page, you see you have a couple of lines on your web page, and this is not bad. If you just want more lines, just do it once again, right? And it won't look as bad. It still looks like you have different lines with original text.